Number 11 is the magic number you need to hit on YouTube. And it will probably won't make any sense in the beginning, but when you see this number in your backend, then you know that you are on the right track to monetization. In order to understand that, you need to understand that in order to get monetized on YouTube, you need 4,000 watch hours in 1 year, or if in one like running year. I'm just going to my earn here. You need, yeah, I got it. I've seen that before. You need 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days in order to get monetized. And I'd argue that this is the metric that's hardest for most to reach, because subscribers will never really go down, but watch hours will. If you're stayed on YouTube for long enough, then you'll know that the watch hours will fluctuate. The reason is, if you have an old channel, and it's not because that you lose it. I've seen people talk about, and it's wrongly understood, that it's you need 4,000 watch hours in, like, let's say this year, 2025, from 1st of January to December 31st. That's wrong. Today it's April 21st, and going back to April 21st, or maybe April 22nd, I don't really know the exact date, but the last 365 days. Within that window, I need 4,000 watch hour. And every day that window on your screen, it would be it jumps forward and forward and forward. So the watch hour views I got, the old one I got a year ago, they will expire after 1 year. That means that every day you have to hit a certain number. Now this is Now this is my brand new channel that you're watching this on today. I started my first video on March 25th, and yesterday I have a screenshot where it says 11. I don't know why they changed it to 10.9, but it said 11 yesterday. That's why I reminded myself I need to make this video. Now, if you take 365 or if you take 4,000 watch hours and divide it by 365 days, that's 10.95 watch hours. So it's not 11 exactly, but 11 is the number you want, because every day you have under 11 watch hours, you are not getting further to the monetization goal. So whenever you hit 11 watch hours in a day, that's one day that's on the right track. And of course, if you have a day with 14 watch hours, then you can afford a day with only 9 watch hours. I can't do the math in my head. But you have to average 11 watch hours every day. And if you don't do that, then you are not on track to monetization. No matter if you're growing subscribers and you have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 subscribers, it doesn't matter, because you have to have 4,000 watch hours. Now, I know there is another threshold now, that new threshold with 3,000 watch hours. But if you don't stream or if you don't make any gaming content, then I'd say that's mostly not worth talking about at all, because it's only the user paid monetization for memberships and for donations. I got that on my gaming channel that I made a video about on this channel, and I got donations all before I had the 4,000 watch hours. But when I had the 3,000 watch hours, it was like few days then I had the 4,000 watch hours. But as you can see here, your watch hours need to like stack up, because you need to average over 11 watch hours every day. And I'm so happy that in less than a month, it was the April 19th, starting from March 25th, I had the first day where it counted towards, or counted the right way. Somehow I lost 0.1 of a watch hour. I don't know where it went, but I remember saving a screenshot of it. So that's the one thing for new creators you should be looking at. In my opinion, subscribers and anything else, it doesn't really matter, because you want to every day make sure that you're getting more than this watch hours. And what you actually should be looking at instead of subscribers is your return viewers. But as a brand new channel like mine, return viewers is not really a thing yet. But as you can see, of course, when I started, it hadn't really had anything, because it's a brand new channel. But now I'm up to like 10 or sometimes 7 11, was it 13 one day, return viewers. That's your true size of your audience, because that's the people who returns to watch your videos that day. That's somebody, that's 10 of my views that day was somebody who viewed it before, and return viewers should hopefully at some point grow and grow and grow. That's your audience base. I hope you had some value for this. If this made you understand this monetization goal in any video, please leave a comment below, or yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.